How to change wallpaper on Android tablets. Hey everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. Are you on an Android tablet and thinking your home screen looks a little boring? If yes, a fresh wallpaper can instantly make your tablet feel more personal and fun. To change your wallpaper, unlock your tablet and from the main home screen of your Android tablet, go ahead and press and hold on any empty area on the screen for a few seconds. Now, once you see this menu appearing, tap on Wallpaper at the bottom left. You'll then be able to see from where you want your wallpaper. You can find the built-in wallpapers displayed on the screen. You can select one from the built-in wallpapers. If you want to go ahead and use your gallery photo, tap on Local Photos and choose your own photo you want to use as your wallpaper. After selecting any wallpaper, you can zoom in or zoom out the wallpaper if needed until it looks right. Finally, if you are ready to set it as your wallpaper, tap on Apply at the top right. Now your wallpaper has been applied. Click on Done at the top right, and that's it. You have successfully changed your wallpaper on your Android tablet. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.